Hello dear students, this is Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram who teaches biochemistry at Manipal MedAce. I've said it before, I'll say it again, I'll say it all the time. Biochemistry. It is the study of life sciences involving black magic. Biochemistry is nothing but black magic learnt in the scientific way possible. When you go for molecular biology, which is genetics, and metabolic disorders, which is the abnormalities in biochemistry, you will understand this subject plays a very major role in making diagnosis at the most unexpected ways possible. You will be knowing inborn errors of metabolism in pediatrics depends completely on biochemistry, and you won't have much of time to read that in pediatrics. If at all you have read them in biochemistry already, pediatrics will be a cakewalk for you. And when it comes to pathways, chemical compounds, their structures, their functions, and metabolic pathways, if they are learnt very carefully along with that of the coenzymes in the form of vitamins and cofactors in the form of minerals, your knowledge about metabolism will be 1,000-folds better, and your way by which you perform in the exams will be a lot better than what you can expect. So come join Manipal MedAce, explore the way by which you can learn biochemistry better. All the very best.